Stop! Before you throw away your PVC pipe or buy expensive tools, watch these genius DIY workshop hacks that can save you time and money. Hello everyone! Welcome back to Technology Advance M4H. Today I'll show you several smart DIY workshop hacks using simple materials like PVC pipe, screws, wood, and basic hand tools. These ideas are designed to improve accuracy, save time, and make everyday workshop tasks easier. Let's begin. Our first project uses PVC pipe fittings. By combining elbows, T's, and straight pipe sections, you can quickly build a custom frame or support structure. Before gluing the fittings, always dry fit the pieces to ensure everything lines up correctly. Mark the alignment points so the parts stay in the correct position during assembly. Next, we move on to cutting PVC pipe. Secure the pipe firmly in a vise before making any cut. A stable workpiece produces a straighter cut and helps prevent accidents. After cutting, smooth the edges with sandpaper or a deburring tool to improve the final fit. Now let's look at a useful woodworking trick. A simple guide can help you drill perfectly straight holes in wood. Measure carefully, mark the drilling position, and clamp the workpiece securely. Taking a few extra seconds to prepare gives much more professional results. Another useful idea is making a simple drilling or fastening jig using common hardware such as screws, washers, or threaded rods. These homemade guides improve consistency when repeating the same task multiple times and cost very little compared to commercial tools. The next hack demonstrates accurate screw installation. Always select the correct drill bit size before driving screws into wood. A pilot hole reduces the chance of splitting the material and allows the screw to enter more smoothly. Keeping the drill perpendicular to the surface also improves the finished appearance. Many workshop projects become easier when you use simple measuring techniques. Double-check every measurement before cutting. Remember the old saying, measure twice, cut once. This simple habit saves both material and time. Organization is equally important. Store frequently used tools where they are easy to reach. Keep your workbench clean and remove waste materials regularly. A clean workspace is not only more efficient, but also much safer. No matter which project you're working on, always wear appropriate safety equipment, including safety glasses, hearing protection when required, and gloves suitable for the task. Never rush when operating power tools. DIY projects don't always require expensive equipment. With creativity, careful planning, and good safety practices, you can build practical solutions using affordable materials found in most workshops. I hope these workshop hacks give you new ideas for your next project. Try them safely, continue learning, and keep improving your skills every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Technology Advance M4H, and press the notification bell for more DIY, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and technical training videos. See you in the next one.